Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima from Polytechnic in IDN. On this occasion, I would like to present the results and experience from our industrial visit activity. First, I would like to express my gratitude to the company and our campus for giving us the opportunity to participate in this industrial visit. This activity provides us with many new experience and insight about the professional working world, especially in the fields of technology, system development, project management, and how companies face the challenge of modern and industry. Through this visit, we learned that the professional world does not only require technical skills, but also communication skills, teamwork, time management, analytical thinking, and the ability to adapt to technological developments. And in this presentation, I will explain several important points that we learned during the industrial visit, starting from the introduction of Jidoka and Odo, company work systems, communication and teamwork, project management, industrial challenge, technology development, and motivational message from the speaker. Um, Introduction to Jidoka and Odo. Before discussing the results of the industrial visit in more detail, I would like to explain two important concepts that were discussed during the session, namely Jidoka and Odo. What is Jidoka? Um, Simply as like Jidoka means automation with a human touch. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for the and okay. Next, simply put, Jidoka means automation with a human touch. Yes, guys. This concept explains that machines or systems must be able to detect errors automatically so that problems can be stopped or corrected before becoming bigger issues. Okay, and the main purposes of Jidoka are uh, reducing production errors, maintaining product quality, improving work efficiency, reducing company loss, supporting production monitoring process. In modern industries, Jidoka is very important because companies must maintain product quality while also increasing production speed. Explain of Jidoka include automatic machine um, that stop when error occur, systems that provide notification when data errors happen, automatic monitoring system in production process. And from this concept, we understood that technology is not only used to speed up work, but also maintain quality, reduce risk. Okay, and okay, what is Odo? Um, Besides Jidoka, the speaker also explained about Odo. Odo is an ERP application which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a system used by companies to manage various business processes in one integrated system. Through Odo, companies can manage these guys, employee data, finance, sales, inventory, production, customer relationships, project management. One of the advantage of Odo is that all data can be connected and integrated, making work process more efficient. For example, when the sales department receives an order, the warehouse department can immediately check stock availability. The production department can prepare production needs, and the finance department can monitor payments. As a result, all company processes become more organized and integrated. The speaker explained that systems like Odo are very helpful in improving efficiency and managing company data. And company number two, company work system and main focus. In the next session, the speaker explained the company's work system. The company focus on several fields such as manufacturing, technology, even categories. Sure. Okay, manufacturing, technology, system development, industrial data integration. The company handles many activities related to data management, application development, system monitoring, and technological solution for industrial needs. The speaker explained that company data is not combined generally, but spirited the best on specific. Sorry, guys. The speaker explained that company data is not combined generally, but separated based on specific needs, so that data analysis becomes more effective and efficient. Inside the company, um, inside the company, there are several divisions with different responsibilities. Therefore, communication between teams becomes very important. The company applies several communication systems such as daily meetings, coordination meetings, email communication, online communication platforms, discussion between divisions. The purpose is to ensure that all team members understand the progress of each project and can help solve problems when needed. The speaker also emphasized that in the professional world, people cannot work individually all the time. If there is something unclear, it should be discussed together with the team. From this explanation, we understood that teamwork is one of the most important aspects in industry. And the question number three, the importance of communication and teamwork. In the following discussion, the speaker explained that communication um, is one of the key factors for project success. In every project, each division has different responsibilities. If communication does not work properly, problems may occur, such as project delays, data errors, miscommunication, system development mistakes. The speaker emphasized that a developer should not simply copy other people's work without understanding the concept. And developer must understand requirements, system concepts, business process, application goals. If developers only act as executors without understanding the concept, they will face difficulties when encountering new problems. Communication with user is also very important to ensure that the final system truly matches the company's need. From this explanation, we learn that communication and discussions are essential parts of project development. And question number four is documentation and project management. The speaker also explained the importance of documentation in projects. Documentation is used as a reference so that the work process becomes clearer and more organized. Good documentation helps companies to reduce miscommunication, simplify project monitoring, track project progress, avoid mistakes. Besides documentation, companies also use project management systems. Project management is used to arrange project timelines, divide tasks among team members, monitor work progress, coordinate between different divisions. Through project management system, companies can know who is working on certain tasks, how far the progress has gone, what problems are currently happening. With clear monetary system, companies can make decisions more effectively. And question number five, challenge and risk in industry. In the next session, the speaker explained several challenges commonly faced in industry. Some of these challenges include work delays, maybe yeah, hmm. Work delays, change in project requirements, technological change, communication risk, technical problems, busy schedule between division. For example, sometimes a division cannot finish tasks according to the target schedule because of unexpected situations. As a result, the project timeline change and affect other teams. Therefore, companies must have backup plans, risk management, careful planning, flexibility in working. The speaker also explained that project times estimation must be realistic. Sometimes work estimate to finish in 2 weeks is right, and as 1 month to provide tolerance time in case problems occur. This shows that time management is very important in the industrial world. And the next question, work contracts and legal aspects. The speaker also explained the importance of work contracts. Contracts are used to determine rights and responsibilities, avoid conflicts, become a legal foundation for work. If there are change in project requirements, companies must create additional agreements or revise the contract. In business, several risks might occur, such as clients paying late, change in project requirements, work disputes, financial losses caused by mistakes. Therefore, all process must be documented properly. From this explanation, we understood that industry requires not only technical skills but also responsibility and legal understanding. And next question, number 7, company strategies to get clients. In the next session, the speaker explained how companies attract clients. Mm, Previously, companies mostly relied on conventional marketing methods. However, today, companies use websites, social media, webinars, YouTube content, collaboration with universities. The company also externally provides training and educational activities. This help increase public trust in the company. The speaker also explained the importance of personal branding. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be used to share experience, showcase projects, build a professional relationship, increase trust from others. This shows that social media also has an important role in the modern professional world. And the next question, for number 8, is technology development and AI. In the following discussion, the speaker explained that technology develops very quickly. Companies must always follow technological updates so they will not fall behind. Every new version usually includes new features, new systems, different implementation methods, change in usage. Therefore, companies need people who are willing to continue learning. The speakers also discussed the use of AI, such as ChatGPT in the workplace. AI can help with searching for information, organizing ideas, supporting discussion, assessing technical work. However, AI is only supporting tool. Users still need to understand basic concept and analytical thinking. If someone depends too much on AI without understanding the concepts, they will struggle when facing real problems in the workplace. And the next question, in number 9, hard skills and soft skills. The speaker explained that the professional world requires balance between hard skills and soft skills. And this is for hard skills include hard skills include programming, system analysis, problem solving, and technology understanding. Meanwhile, soft skills include communication, teamwork, responsibility, professional attitude, adaptability. Adaptability. According to the speaker, nobody should feel superior and refuse teamwork. Even if someone has strong abilities, they still need to discuss and cooperate with others. And the next question, number 10, career focus and self-development. The speaker explained the importance of determining career focus. Not all programmers have the same skills because each technology field requires a different expertise. For example, CRM programs need different skills from mobile developers. Industrial technology differs from ordinary applications. Manufacturing systems require a special understanding. Therefore, students are encouraged to decide which field they want to learn, focus on developing specific skills, avoid learning everything without clear direction. And next question in 11, lifelong learning. At the end of the session, the speaker delivered an important message that learning should never stop. Should never stop. According to the speaker, the world will continue to develop and technology will continue to change. If someone stops learning, if someone stops learning, they will have difficulty following future developments. Therefore, people must continue learning, be willing to try new things, actively improve themselves, adapt quickly. The main message was that learning should continue throughout life. And 12 experience and lessons from the speaker. The speaker also shared personal experience about career journeys and learning process in industry. The speaker explained that the professional world is a long learning process. Some people continue growing throughout their lives, while others stop learning when they feel satisfied. According to the speaker, when someone stops learning, their abilities will slowly fall behind. Okay, this happens because the world keeps developing, technology change continuously, industry needs always evolve, evolve, competition becomes stronger. 13. The importance of analysis and understanding concepts. The speaker explained that developers are not only required to operate application or complete technical tasks. Development must understand system concept, user needs, business process, application workflows, data structures. Before building a system, companies must conduct data collection, requirement analysis, technology selection, and adjustment to company needs. This process ensures that systems truly match user needs and company conditions. And 14, the importance of focus and consistency. In the final session, the speaker emphasized the importance of focus. If someone lacks focus, um, learning become ineffective, skills develop more slowly, priorities become unclear, and distraction become easier. Section requires process, patience, consistency, and persistence. There are not instant results in the professional world. There are not instant results in the professional world. And five, the question, the importance of adaptation to change. The company explained that change is unavoidable in industry. Change can happen in technology, work systems, client needs, project structures, communication methods. Therefore, companies need people who can adapt quickly. Adaptability is very important so people can continue working effectively even when conditions change. And 16, um, motivation and message for students. Okay, at the end of the session, the speakers give motivational advice for students. Students should be active in learning, have curiosity, be brave to try new things, not be afraid of challenge, and continue improving their abilities. Social media should also be used positively for personal branding, showing projects, building professional relationships, and expanding experience and knowledge. The speaker hoped that the industrial visit will become a valuable experience for students and help them understand the real conditions of the professional world. And before last, in conclusion, from this industrial visit activity, we gain many insight into the professional working world. We learned that industry requires not only technical abilities, but also communication skills, teamwork, project management, adaptability to technology, analytical thinking, and balance between hard skill and soft skills. We also understood the importance of documentation, project management, work contracts, risk management, and lifelong learning. This industrial visit provides us with a real picture of industrial challenge and current in the industry needs. Through this experience, we better understand how to prepare ourselves for the professional world in the future. That is all of for my presentation. I apologize if there are any mistakes or short short comments. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.